Hey guys, so let's get started. Just a disclaimer, I literally have no makeup on right now because I wanted to show you guys like a raw, real feel of a look you can create with these KKW sticks. Guys, before we get started, so when I got these KKW beauty sticks, I just wanted to try it because I keep seeing them at Ulta and everything, and I just keep seeing like girls use them, and I am like, let me just get them just to try them. Like, they weren't as expensive as I was gonna think because of the name, but in my head I was like, I don't know if these are actually gonna work. I don't necessarily like liquid contour, but I don't necessarily like powder contour, so I was like, let me try a cream contour. Let me just try it and see if it works. And so one day I was just like experimenting, and I didn't want to wear a lot of makeup out. Like, I think me and my mom were just going to the grocery store or something, and she was still getting ready, so I was like, okay, let me just experiment with these KKW beauty sticks, because I ordered them online from Ulta. One day I was just experimenting, and I did like a full face look with just them, like no foundation, no blush, no, like literally nothing. And literally I was like, what the heck, like you can actually do this. I was like, I want to make a video on this. So that's why I'm making the video, guys. So yeah, I'm just in loungewear and I literally have no makeup on. The only thing I have on is mascara, and that's only because obviously all the places are closed because quarantine. So like I haven't been able to get my eyelash extensions done. If it was open and I had my eyelash extensions, like obviously I wouldn't be wearing mascara. So that's literally all I have on. But without further ado, let's get started. So I just have my hair in a headband, but I don't know. I think I may put it behind my ears while I do this because I just want to be able to have like it out of my face. So by the way, I have both of the sticks because it comes in a pack. It's a highlight stick and a contour stick that's both double-sided, if you didn't know. And I got the shade light. So on each one, contour and highlight, it says light 1 and light 2. I guess there's two sides to each one. The contour, I can't really tell the difference as much. I think one is more of a cooler tone and one's more of a warmer tone for like bronzing a little bit. And then the highlight, you can tell one's more of a concealer and one is more of like a shimmer highlight, like you put on your nose and right here, whatever. So that's a description of them. And by the way, if you don't already know, I'm gonna focus. They both look like this. It's just like a little double-sided little stick. So I'm gonna get started with my contour stick. I'm gonna go on the light 1 side first, which is I think more of the cooler tone. And also I don't have her little brush that goes with it because I just didn't want to pay more when I already have like a beauty blender and like, you know what I mean, like I just didn't want to get it. Also I have my mirror down here. But yeah, I'm just also going to use this brush. I don't know where I got this. I think I got it at Target. I think it's that Sonia, whatever her name is. And it's just kind of like a flat top brush. So this is it's been doing really good with blending on these. So I'm just going to use it. So first I'm going to do my cheek contour. Now I watched her like little tutorial video that she had, and she said that she does it in a 3, which I totally agree with. But for me, like I have learned this like my own way of like how I did it. Again, I'm gonna take the light 1 side, the more cool tone side, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my cheeks real quick so you guys can watch me do it. So I'm gonna do like a few stripes. Like I do about 3 stripes to create that like thick line. So then I'm gonna take my brush and I'm literally just gonna like go like this. Not like super harsh, but I'm just gonna like just enough to blend it. So then I'm gonna pull it up a little bit on my cheek, and this is what I was surprised at, guys, that this actually like carried. Like I thought it was just gonna like sit in like right there on that line, but when you pull it up like that, it actually carries like up onto your cheek. So I don't know what the ingredients are in this, but, or whatever she has, like this cream formula, but I really like how it actually carries and it doesn't just stay in this like line. Cause see, it looks bronze. Like it actually looks like a true contour. It doesn't look like it's like a harsh line that's just not good. So I'm gonna go to the other side. So let's see. That's pretty good. Again, guys, I'm not a makeup artist. I don't claim to do this perfect, whatever. I'm just doing what I like on me. So as you can see, like, it's pretty tight, right? Like, it's pretty good. I'll do some on the chin. I don't necessarily, like, care about the chin contour. I mean, I have a little bit of a double chin, but I don't really care. But I'm just gonna take that same side of light one, the more cooler tone, and then just take this same brush and blend it out. So after I'm kind of pushing it in, like blending it out, I'm gonna kind of go downwards so it's not a harsh line. So it looks like the actual whole like under neck and chin is bronzed. You may not be able to tell in the video, and that's okay. I'm just trying to show you guys like a legit like full look. So I have done the cheeks, the chin, so now we're gonna go in on the nose. So I'm literally going to take the same side. I promise I'm gonna use the other side for the forehead because you want your forehead to be more bronzed. But yeah, I'm just gonna take again the light one side and do the nose. You can go up in your eyebrow bone if you want. You don't have to. I'm gonna kind of do that. Just so it can create like a full slick line, like a long nose or whatever. And then under, I remember she went under like that. Gonna take the same brush but go a little bit lighter, not pushing as hard. And I'm going to just lightly push it in.
This may take a little bit longer because you want it to kind of stay in place there. You don't want to drag it everywhere else on your face or in your eyes or whatever.
So now I'm going to take the light 2 side, which is a little bit more warmer tone, like a little bit more brown, orangey warm tone. Even though they're both kind of like brown and orangey tone, but I am going to take this light 2 side and go on my forehead. Now this is just something that I've created, so just if it's not right, don't, you know, go crazy. But what I do is I make these lines. So like I make larger lines in the middle because that's where my forehead is bigger. And I go in it in more motion. So then on the sides of my forehead, obviously I get it shorter, right? And yes, I put it by my temples because, you know, I want it to blend in with this contour, almost like that 3 that Kim was talking about. So, and now that I have those lines, oh my gosh, it looks crazy. I'm going to take this brush again and then just, not super harsh, but harsh enough to get it going, because if you don't do it harsh enough, then like you can see the lines underneath. So I have to go through a couple times just to get it really blended out. And I want to make sure, again, like I'm kind of blending it in that 3, like it's coming down to my cheek contour. Please don't judge me. This is just what I think is, you know, I'm still experimenting. I'm sure I'm gonna find, like, even after I make this video, like I'm probably gonna watch more videos or something and find like a better way to do it or something. That so far is like the contouring, right? So just like a natural bronzy look so far, not too much, like it's not super noticeable or anything. So now I'm going to take my highlighter stick and I'm going to take light 1, which is more of the concealer. And what I'm going to do is just go under the eyes right here. And I'm literally using this like a normal concealer because I don't have concealer on right now. So I'm going to take this beauty blender, and what I'm going to do, it's kind of damp, so it should be able to like drag a little bit, but I'm going to literally just blend this in. I'm gonna put a little bit right here. Just a little bit. Also, literally all I have on is moisturizer. I did my full skincare routine, but because I wanted a clean canvas, because, you know, I wasn't gonna wear primer. I didn't want to use any other makeup for this. Anyways, so I kind of have like 2 pimples, like right here on my chin. So I'm also going to use this concealer side to cover up my chin because, you know, I've been also experiencing, I don't know if it's with age or whatever, but I've been experiencing some, what's it called? Like, unevenness in my skin. Not like rosacea, but kind of like some redness and unevenness. So I think I may like kind of switch skincares to see if like I need something to calm like redness and unevenness. So I'm just gonna use that concealer side and just touch up these pimples, but I'm gonna use my finger to kind of press it in. And again, they're not big pimples anyway, so it doesn't matter. Now that I've done my under eyes, chin, and forehead, now I'm going to take the light 2 side, which is more of a shimmer. I don't know if you can see it, but it's more of like a shimmery, like a yellowy shimmery. So what I'm gonna do is go down the center of my nose, and I'm gonna go like on the edge of my nose right here, and right here above my lip, because girl, you know. Also, the sun is, it's like the afternoon, so the sun is kind of setting, so sorry if there's like some glares on my face. But yeah, I'm looking in the monitor, by the way. Just super cute. Guys, this gives like such a light glowy look, and I love it. So yeah, super cute. Now, for the cool part, we are gonna go back with the contour stick, and we are gonna do the light 2 side because I want kind of a warmer color. But I'm just gonna take my ring finger and rub some of it on my finger. And guys, I'm gonna use this as eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this as like a contour eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna take my finger that I dipped in, and I'm literally just gonna go like kind of in the crease of my lid, like where the contour shadow would be. It kind of created like a little bit of a shade. So I think it's better than nothing, you know? So I'm gonna get some more, go to the other eye. Okay, so now I'm going to take the light 1 side. You're gonna die. I'm gonna put it in my eyebrow. So I discovered this very, very lightly, because this is a cream stick. Very lightly, just gonna go on the edge of my brow. Like literally, that's it. I'm just gonna go on the edge of it, because my brow is kind of sort of already dark on the beginning parts, which I don't know how, because I'm a redhead and I literally have like translucent eyelashes, so I don't know how that happened. But I'm gonna take a spoolie and just kind of even it out. So as you can see, it's a little bit shaded in, just a little more. I don't like heavy brows anyway, so I'm not gonna go overload on that and try to mess it up. Kind of cool. Like I kind of low-key love this look because it's good for spring, summer. It's a super cute, just like natural, simple glow, simple look. And this is not supposed to stand out like a lot, you know? Like it's just supposed to be simple and just a simple neutral glow that you can wear out anywhere. People will still see you have on makeup, you know, you're not. So yeah, guys, this is the finished look, and I'm so happy about it. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you get the KKW beauty sticks if you don't have them yet. And all my social media is down in the description below, so give me a follow on that. I'm pretty active on all my social media. And yeah, more videos to come. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.